So starting the test drive in the Equinox here, the CVT does help in terms of acceleration with this Turbo 4, just because you're not having to worry about the shift points. It just kind of holds what it has, and it's still more efficient in terms of getting up to speed. Now, I will say the 1.3 turbocharged 3-cylinder in the Trailblazer pulls a bit better in my opinion, just because it's a bit lighter, just how it's tuned. This feels like something that's meant to be more efficient, but that's also why you get the gas mileage that you get here. And decent pull if you have to give it all it's got, I think. Not fast, but it has a little bit of pep in its step. And I actually like the sound. I feel like with the CVT, it gives it a more aggressive sound just from the powertrain in general. I'm gonna use the adaptive cruise for just a sec. And I think this is rated to get 27 city, 31 highway, so very impressive for a vehicle that has all this space. And that's why we have a CVT here. That's why we have a 1.5 Turbo 4. Now, driving it like I've been driving it, you're probably not gonna get that good of fuel economy, but especially cruising on longer trips around the speed limit, you'll get pretty good gas mileage. Like the ride quality, excuse me, like the sound acoustics in the cabin, like the steering is very borderline plush, and a lot of that has to do with this thicker steering wheel that I'm not used to having. And I just like the brake pedal feel, throttle feel, everything just makes sense for a vehicle like this. Now for this price point, I do think this is a pretty good deal, especially considering at this dealership in particular, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, you do get a lifetime powertrain warranty, and $34,000 for a car that you're gonna keep as long as you can, and if you plan on keeping it for a long period of time, I don't think that's bad for what you get here. But the updates really make this thing shine. Again, the front fascia looks beautiful, the back end looks nice, you have LED tail lamps, which make a big difference, I think, in how this thing looks. Although you have the Google Assistant system, I do like how everything other than the maps operate here. The system is very quick on its feet. And then the little things like the rear camera mirror, the wireless charging pad, the heated steering wheel, the blind spot monitors, all of this coming on this package for less than 35 grand it's impressive in my opinion. And that's not even including the standard lane keeping system, forward collision alert, and all that. And something else that I just now noticed is how beautiful the trim is. So that feels almost like scales, looks nice, but then just like the trim here is beautiful. I don't know how that'll hold up over time in terms of scuffs and scratches, but looks very premium even on this LT. And again, if you're looking to find the best price on one of these in your area, just make sure you click on that link down below. Just fill out a little information, contact info, what you're looking for, and then we'll get the dealers in your area fighting to get you that best price on one of these. And with everything starting to come down, inflation and all of that, you're not having to pay $3-4 grand over a sticker like you used to if you look hard enough. But again, that's what that link is there for, so that you're not having to pay 10 grand over a sticker. You'll get that best foot forward. But Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, again, you get the lifetime powertrain warranty here. These are below sticker right now, so a good time to buy at this dealership in particular. But I mean, a pretty impressive SUV inside and out. And I think it does give the Escape, the Tucson, vehicles along those lines a run for their money. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevy Equinox in the LT trim level.